Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Abdul Mutalib, and I will present about my final year project with title Har Cascade Classifier for Real-Time Facial Detection. For the first, I would like to introduce about my introduction for this project. In this project, facial recognition is one of the way of identifying or confirming an individual identity using their face. Facial recognition has issue when it comes to its lengthy process and the accuracy of the result. This paper proposed the use of Har cascade classifier which can detect the real-time process. For the background study, the face recognition has been numerously used as an authentication process in computer security related. In the study of biometry and computer vision, face recognition is also important. Having a very low rate of misclassification is the aim of face recognition system. Biometric technology can be used to analyze human behavior and is utilized for authentication. When choosing a biometric system to apply in an application, proper consideration must be given to the pros and cons of each system. There are also some concerns arising from facial recognition technology, where two primary are regarding the individual privacy and the risk of the technology being misused. For the past years, a lot of innovation and effort has been made in the field of face detection, and one of the innovation is the use of Har cascade classifier. However, facial recognition engineering applied research first started in 1964, focusing mostly on face geometry. Principal component analysis is the most widely used in face recognition algorithm, where Turk and Peklan of MIT Media Laboratory introduced the principal component analysis into it early 1991. However, the biggest disadvantages when using it is that its training data must be at least 1,000 to be a meaningful result. Then I will be given the problem statement for my project. As biometric recognition system become popular and has been significantly increased over the past decade, where it mostly used for security purpose and law enforcement. The challenging come when it needs to be respond within the time constraint. Har cascade classifier is one of the classifier to be used in the facial detection and quite popular among researchers. So this is my research objective. First is to develop a system using Har cascade classifier for real-time facial detection. Second, to utilize both hardware, which is Raspberry Pi, and software OpenCV library and Python used to build the system. Third, to recognize the present image by extract face embedding using OpenCV. And this is my scope and limitation for this project. I would like to highlight two of them. The first, that the identification process is not 100% accurate, because sometimes there will be an error when we detect the image of the facial person. Then, any face accessory and object that block the face should not be included in the image, because it's also one of the reason why we not get the accurate result. Then I will be present about the methodology. The methodology of this project is whenever the facial frontal image be placed at the distant range, the face image will be obtained by the Raspberry Pi camera. Then we use the Har cascade classifier in the OpenCV, where we have the Har cascade features to extract the features of the image, such as the edge and the line of the face. Therefore, the image that we extract can be detected as the face. Once the face has been detected, the image can be displayed on a screen with the face surrounding with bounded box. Lastly, the image that we compare from the past past input can be compared to get the similarity from it. And this was my expected result for this final year project. Like the coding been shown, we expect that the facial image appear in the video to has a bounding box where it indicate that the system has identified the image as a person, face, and the location of the face in the video. And that's all from me, and thank you.